Hello everyone, my name's Tahina and welcome to my channel. Today I will be planning for the month of June and I'm so excited. This is the last month in this planner. I can't wait to get to the next planner. I really like the changes in the new planner. I know a lot of people don't, but I really do like them. But anyway, so this month I'm going to be using this kit from Kitty Cat Planner, and this is called Sailor. So here's the first page, the second page, the third page, and the last page. There's also a sidebar, a sidebar just like a design instead of the check boxes, but I didn't want to do that. So, okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put the banners up. Well, actually, the first thing I'm going to do is put the banner and then put this, because this goes with it. I think the next thing I'm going to do is the sidebar here. So because that's gray, I want this one. Whoa. I'm tearing it. Okay. So I want this one to be down here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the numbers on. So I'll put those on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the date dots down, and the next thing I'm going to do is put these holidays down. Okay, Flag Day. It's on the 14th. And summer begins on the 21st. Okay, so next, let's see. I have a dentist appointment on the 14th at 9:30. So, okay. So, I think I'm going to use this to mark that down. Just going to use my Sharpie. Let's see, 9:30, dentist. Okay. Oh, I shouldn't have used yellow, but that's okay. And then I also have an appointment on the 13th, which is a doctor's appointment. No, actually, I'm going to use the clock this time. And I can't remember exactly. I'm going to have to look up what time it is. So I'm not going to write anything on it right now. I'm just going to put it down to mark that. Okay, so there's no birthdays. Okay, so where's those flags? Okay, so payday. Okay, this is a payday. I'm going to cover that moon because I don't care about that. Rent is also due on that day. So I'm going to use this house. And I don't have a lot going on, so I don't mind using boxes for these. Because this month is not a big month. Next month is a semi-big month. Okay, so let's see what else. Oh, this month I do have TV shows coming back, which is exciting. I'm not going to use boxes, I'm just going to use the TVs. For this one is Black Mirror. Been waiting for that one for the longest. Actually, I'm gonna have to go get my phone and find out. Because I know it's 2 other shows that are coming, but I can't remember what day they're coming. Okay, so I looked it up, and okay, here's the icons. Okay, so one is on the 9th. And one's on the 18th. Okay. So the one that's on the 9th is Big Little Lies, and the one that on the and the one that's on the 18th is Good Trouble. And I am so excited because I have nothing to watch. Lately, there's nothing on. Besides, like, YouTube. That's the only thing I can watch. Okay, so, yeah, this is it. This is going to be a short video because I have nothing going on in the month of June. You know, stuff might pop up, but I'm not going anywhere, or nothing is happening or anything like that. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you next time.